guys. So we looked at handling basic routing with leaf using these shortcut methods and then also using match. So you could add multiple HTTP methods. So let's build up on this. Let's look at a bit more of advanced routing with leaf. So let's get rid of some of these routes just to clear our plate. Okay. Okay. So Leaf also allows you to give your routes some specific features, like maybe naming a route or adding middleware to the route or anything like that. And to do that, instead of passing a function in here, like we had before, so you can see handler and that's a function. Instead of doing that this time, we pass in an array. Okay. Okay, so first step is to pass in an array, and then we can do anything we want to do from there. For instance, we can name our route. So let's just name this route home. Okay, so we've given the name home to this particular route. And yeah, you notice we took off our function. So where exactly do we put our function? We put it back in here anyway, anywhere actually. So function, and we echo hello world. Okay, but this is an associative array, right? Here you can see name home, and if we had maybe middleware, we could drop in middleware here like that. But then function doesn't have anything. It doesn't have any key. Is that allowed? Yes. Funny enough, this is allowed in PHP. So what happens here is this will have a key of name, this will have a key of middleware, and PHP would automatically assign 0 as a key here. So this is valid PHP. And Leaf takes advantage of that by letting you add route parameters like this. That's what we call them. So when you pass an array into a route, we call that route a route parameter, basically. So this is a route parameter, and that's another route parameter. And then when you're done defining all your route parameters, you just pass in your handler. So in this case, we are passing in hello world. Let me just add a few stars to that. And I'll get rid of this middleware because we don't need that right now. But let's go back to our browser. Let's see if our route still works. So we're supposed to see this. Go back here and go to our home route, and we see hello world star 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 star. So that works beautifully. If you are wondering where exactly you can do route parameters, this was an example. You can give your routes a name. You can do other stuff like um, middleware. Middleware is another example. So let's look at middleware next.